Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best model car paint sets is probably one of the most crucial aspects of bringing your plastic model cars to life. From vibrant colors to realistic finishes, the right paint set can make all the difference in the final appearance of your models. In this video, we'll explore some top-rated paint sets, discussing their features, pros, and cons to help you choose the perfect set for your modeling needs. Number 5. Testors 9196T Acrylic Value Finishing Paint Set. Introducing the Testors 9196T Acrylic Value Finishing Paint Set. This set is perfect for a variety of crafting projects. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. This paint set is ideal for use on many surfaces. You can use it on wood, plastic, paper, metal, canvas, and plaster. The possibilities are endless with this versatile set. The water-based paint is non-toxic and dries quickly. Cleanup is a breeze with just soap and water. It can be applied with a brush or an airbrush. This paint set is suitable for younger crafters, hobbyists, and scouts. It's a fun and safe way to explore creativity. It's a great way to start a new hobby. The set includes 914 fluid ounces paint bottles. The colors are red, black, gold, silver, gloss blue, gloss orange, green, white, and yellow. It also comes with a paintbrush. What we like. This set is water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for younger crafters. It's also easy to clean up with just soap and water. If you're a beginner or have kids who enjoy crafting, this set is a great choice. What people say. The paints are as bright and durable as ever, and they even smell better now. You can use these on just about anything. The paints work. Stir them good with a popsicle stick and a good shake and they do the job, easy cleanup. Number 4. Testors Acrylic Paint Set Primary, Multicolor. This is a vibrant acrylic paint set. It's manufactured in the United States, ensuring quality and durability. The set is made in the United States. You can trust the quality of this product. This set is an acrylic paint set. It's perfect for various art projects. The set includes 6 primary colors. It provides a great start for any artist. It comes with 6 essential colors. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced artists. What we like. This set offers the essential primary colors. Manufactured in the United States, it provides a reliable and straightforward painting experience. If you are looking for a basic set to mix and create your own colors, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked better than I expected on assembly of plastic models. Mixing to obtain a shade is accurately done because of the true color consistency. Still a great quality product. Number 3. Testors 9146XT Enamel Paint Set. This enamel paint set is perfect for adding vibrant color to your projects. It's durable and long-lasting, making it ideal for use on wood, plastic, and paper. The enamel-based paints provide a finish that is both durable and long-lasting. This set is designed to bring your creative visions to life with colors that endure. Included is a bottle of paint thinner. You can add it to the paints for use in airbrushing, providing you with more flexibility in your projects. This set features a range of shades and finishes suitable for various projects. It gives you the versatility to achieve the look you desire. The set includes 814 fluid ounces, paint bottles in various colors, a paint thinner bottle, a paintbrush, and a tray. It has everything you need to get started. You'll receive 9 bottles in total, including a range of colors and thinner. Accessories like a paintbrush and tray are also included, making it a complete package. What we like. This set uses enamel-based paints for durable and long-lasting color. It comes with a thinner for airbrushing, expanding your creative options. If you're working on projects that need vibrant, lasting colors, you should consider this. What people say. Covered well on area I needed enamel paint. Great quality paint. Excellent coverage. Good paint. Minimum amount of brush cleaner or thinner. Several different of paint required to make the models look really authentic. Number 2. Testors 9115X Enamel Paint Set, Gloss. This paint set is perfect for almost any surface. You can use it on wood, leather, plastic, metal, and more. It's a great choice for all your projects. These solvent-based paints are made to last. They are extremely durable, suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects. You can count on it to withstand the elements. Get your projects done faster with this paint. It dries to the touch in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 48 hours. This allows you to quickly move on to the next step. Each bottle contains 1/4 fluid ounces of paint. This is a convenient size for various projects. It provides enough paint without being wasteful. The set includes 6 colors, 1 thinner, a paintbrush, and a tray. It has everything you need to get started. It's a great value for any project. Please note that this item is not available for purchase in Catalina Island. We apologize for any inconvenience. What we like. This set uses solvent-based paints that are extremely durable for any indoor or outdoor project. It dries quickly, saving you time. If you need a paint that can withstand the elements and dries quickly, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The paint flowed nicely and gave the cattle print a very nice polished, metallic appearance. Cleanup was fairly easy, though I did take the needle out of my airbrush and thoroughly cleaned the inside and nozzle with a cleaner-soaked paintbrush. The set comes with the 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, plus white and black. You can mix those to make every other color you need. For example, if you need green, you can mix yellow and blue. If you need light green, you can mix in some white. If you want a green that's more muted, you can mix black and white to make gray, and then mix the gray into your green. Number 1. Testors Acrylic Finishing Sets Paint Kit. This paint kit includes 9 different colors. It is perfect for adding the finishing touches to your models. This set will help bring your projects to life. The kit includes light ghost gray and dark ghost gray. These colors are ideal for creating realistic effects. They are perfect for adding depth to your models. You'll also find neutral gray and gunship gray in this set. These versatile colors can be used for a variety of projects. They are great for creating a weathered look. The kit also provides gloss dark blue and olive drab. These colors are great for adding a pop of color. They are perfect for military models. This set includes dark green and dark tan. These colors are essential for any modeler. They are great for creating realistic camouflage effects. And finally, the kit includes flat black. It is a must-have color for any modeler. It's perfect for adding shadows and details. What we like. This kit offers a specialized selection of gray shades and military colors. It is perfect for modelers. If you are working on military models or need specific gray tones, this set is ideal for you. What people say. Still, the best paint on the market. Modeling Paint Company has been around for decades. Excellent quality. Wool a little goes a long way. Vibrant colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.